Hello friends, now we'll discuss the next topic in operating system, page replacement algorithm. Okay, what is page replacement algorithm? Okay, so here the page is nothing but a process contain, okay, a paging in memory management technique. Paging is what? It's a memory management technique in which process adds space. Okay, process adds some space. Okay, it broken into blocks. Okay, a process is broken into blocks of same size is called paging. This is page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Okay, so CPU want these pages to execute. Okay, CPU want these pages to execute. So CPU can't execute all the pages at the same time. If the pages are more, so it can't execute all the pages. Correct? No. So need to exchange from RAM and hard disk. Okay, so this is the main memory. Okay, this is the disk, the hard disk. Okay, the main memory capacity is very less. Okay, disk capacity is more. Okay, so you can exchange the, okay, if the process, if the page is not in the RAM, okay, then you have to bring back from the disk. Okay, then if suppose the execution of that particular page is complete, okay, you have to exchange. Okay, a new, you want new process, then you have to exchange it. Okay, executed process and the new process, you just exchange it. So in RAM you get new process. Okay, let's take an example, then you come to know. Okay, so here, so in pages there are three types. One is first in first out page replacement algorithm, FIFO. LRU, least recently used page replacement. Then third one is optimal page replacement. Okay, first one, FIFO, first in first out page replacement. Replace the pages that has been in memory the longest time. Okay, what is the FIFO concept here? Replace the pages that has been in memory the longest time. Okay, so take on the statement here, take on the example here. Okay, so this is the reference string. Okay, this is the reference string. These are the pages. Okay, 7 CPU demands these pages, these many pages. Okay, CPU demands these many pages. Okay, so what I have to do is, this is the RAM contain 3 frames. Okay, maximum RAM can store allocates only 3 frames. Okay, only 3 pages can assign at a time. Okay, so see here, so first page is what? 7. Okay, you place 7 here. Okay, because it is free, the RAM is free, you can easily place. Next 0, next page is 0. Okay, you place here. So because it's free, no, okay, you can place it here. And third one is also is free, you can place it here. Okay, next page 2, CPU demands page 2. Okay, CPU demands page 2. Okay, so which one you have to replace? Okay, there is no space at all. Okay, there is no space to allocate page 2. Okay, so what I have to do is, okay, in FIFO concept, which process come, which page come first, that one have to replace. Okay, so here 7 come first, so in place of 7 you have to replace 2. In place of 7 you have to replace 2. Okay, clear, no? Okay, next page is 0. So 0 is already present in RAM, so then replacement is not necessary. Okay, so next CPU demands page 3. Okay, so 3 is not present here. Okay, so 3 is not present here, so you have to replace it. Okay, so which one have to replace? Okay, so 7 come first. Okay, that in that place page 2 is replaced. Okay, next 0, no, next 0, in place of 0 you have to place 3. In place of 0 you have to place 3, means you have to exchange 0 and 3 here. Let's say example here. Okay, this is the RAM, this is 0. Okay, so this is at present 0 is there. Okay, 0 is there here. Okay, you want 3 here. Okay, so just exchange. Okay, you just transfer to disk. Okay, that page 0 transfer to disk, then from disk 3 is there. Okay, that one you transfer to main memory. We just exchange it. Okay, transferring from main memory to disk is called swap out. Transferring from disk to main memory is called swap in. Clear no? We just exchange. Okay, clear no? So here, so in place of 0, 3 comes here. So 3 is placed here. Okay, next 0. So 0 is not present in the RAM, so you have to replace. Okay, so next, okay, 7 already filled. In place of 7, 2 is filled. In place of 0, 2 is filled. Next 1, in place of 1, 0. In place of 1, 0. Clear no? Okay, next till here is completed. Next, after that, next page is 4. Okay, so 4. Okay, so 7 you replace, 0 also you replace, 1 also you replaced. Okay, next in place of, okay, in place of 2 you have to replace 4, like this. Clear no? Okay, next after that, next process is 2. Okay, what you have to do? In place of 3 you have to replace 2. Next, in place of 0 you have to replace 3. You have to check if it is present, then no replacement. If it is not present, you have to replace. So here, next 0. Okay, 0 is not present here. 0 is not present here. Okay, you have to replace 0. Okay, in place of 4 you have to replace 2. Next, in place of 2, next like this. Okay, next see here 3 is present here, so no replacement. 2 is present here, so no replacement. Clear no? Okay, next 1 is not present here, you have to replace it. Okay, so last till here we replace. In place of 2 you have to replace 1. Next, in place of 3 you have to replace 2, like this. Okay, you have to go like this. First replacement here, second replacement here, third replacement here, next fourth replacement of this page, like this. Okay, next here, go like this. Okay, go in a, okay, this direction. Clear no? First this direction, after that take this way. Clear no? Like this. Next like this. Okay. So here 1 is replaced in place of 2, no? In place of 2. Next, in place of 3, 2. Next, 0 and 1 is present here, so no replacement. Next, in place of 0, 7. Next, in place of 1, 0. Next, in place of 2, 1 you have to place. Clear, no? Okay, this is first in, first out page replacement algorithm. Clear, no? Okay, so here how many page faults are there? Page faults means what here? Okay, if the CPU demands page, if that page is not present in the RAM, that is called page fault. Okay, if the CPU is not present in the RAM, that is called page faults. Okay, so how many pages are there? How many page faults are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is page hit. Okay, okay, so 0 is present in RAM, so no replacement. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here 15 faults are there. Okay, faults means if the CPU demands the page, that page is not present in the RAM, that is called faults, page faults. Okay, so here how many page faults are there? 4, then 8, 10, 12, 15. 15 page faults are there. Okay, how many hits are there? Page hits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hits are there. Clear no? So many page faults are there. Okay, it's clear no? Thank you.